what defines a superbike? A superbike is always reaching for the best in terms of lightness, handling, performance, precision, top speed and lap time. The first model update is the next big step and features many changes. Add the engine, fairings, TFT display and a handful of innovative new features and a lot of development in our highly sophisticated wind tunnel, which results in significant aerodynamics optimizations directly from racing for even more performance and power. But before we go into further details, let's watch the RR where it belongs, on the racetrack. So now let's go into details. For this, I would like to welcome Matthias Kottmann.
Hi Seb, how are you doing? Hi.
Great.
Hi, my name is Matthias Kottmann. I'm motorcycle designer for BMW Motorrad and I had the pleasure to design the latest version of the RR. I know you're curious, let's talk facts. Starting with the most obvious change, the new RR now features the integration of winglets derived directly from racing. The formal integration of the winglets into the side fairing is certainly a design feature, as is the aerodynamic improvement of the RR. A downforce of 7.6 kg at 200 km per hour, 11.9 at 250 and 17.6 kg at a speed of 300 km per hour. This enables the rider to go harder on the throttle without lifting the front tire too high off the ground and also results in more cornering stability. Ultimately, a big advantage on straight as well as in corners. The rear is also completely redesigned. The rear variants monoposto and the one with a pillion rider seat differ strongly from what one knows otherwise, since we developed a holistic, closed rear pillion cover in order to really speak of a monoposto. Another highlight here is definitely the integration of a universal mount for different types of action cameras, meaning you can record yourself on the track easier and safer than ever before. A newly designed and also shorter license plate holder also helps to clean up the look and to reduce the visible weight in the rear. The new M carbon wheels with M pinstripe lining, available as standard, are now instantly recognizable.
Less obvious to the eye, but definitely another significant change to the front, a new airbox, further optimized airflow and allows the new RR to generate 3 extra horsepower in comparison to the previous model, meaning it now produces a total of 210 horsepower at 11,000 RPMs. However, more horsepower means you also need more stopping power. Said and done with the new M brakes, which were also developed in conjunction with the racing team and now coming standard on the RR. Available in 2 colors, blue for the M package or black, both with lasered badges. Furthermore, the addition of the high windscreen as standard also results in less drag, protecting the rider from the elements and making the bike ready for track right from the factory. The innovative 6.5-inch TFT color display will now always start in the last screen used on the previous ride. If it comes up to a change to the gear, the whole rev counter starts to flash. In the Pro mode, the factory settings are now displayed. The new Race Pro mode now supports 100% connectivity. And also new in the Race Pro, the rider may now also select the road damping setup for the DDC. Now as standard, the M Lightweight battery, which saves 2 kg. And coming to the chassis, the Clever M chassis kit now also comes as standard. First time in series motorcycle production, BMW Motorrad brings a steering angle sensor. This gives us the opportunity to bring 2 new features. The new brake slide assist helps rider to drift easily into corners after some exercise. If it comes to acceleration out of the corner, the new slide control supports the rider in 2 setups.
And now, last but not least, the new RR comes in 3 stunning colors. Apart from the well-known stealthy Black Storm metallic color scheme, Style Passion is underlined in racing red, and the unmistakable M package comes in the fan-favorite tricolor scheme with the M colors. Let's have a closer look at our bikes.